Okay, so hey everyone, this is the smart tourism app from the team Asyncro-Knights for the Smart India Hackathon of the year 2022. Here, as you can see, we have a basic layout going on. So, for first of all, we have this interactive map for users for them to check out different aspects of the topographic features and the geological locations of the places they're interested in. For example, the first one shows only the pure topographic location of an area. But if the user wants to see some other view, like for example, if the user wants to see a satellite, so the satellite view shows the user everything in more details, like for example, the buildings and the difference in the different heights of terrains and altitudes. Similarly, the streets view helps user to navigate because it shows them like major highways and gate numbers and roads, so the user can easily navigate through the entire place that they're willing to visit. And the last view we have kept is a view of oceans, which basically shows the user all the water bodies present near or around their place. Since like New Delhi currently has no water bodies around it, which is where our app by default loads. It won't show much, but if we zoom out, we can see the depths and altitudes of the oceans of the entire world in our map. And then comes the interesting part. For example, if a user searches for Nainital, then we can see that this thing updates, and we can see the temperature of Nainital, which is like currently 15 degrees, and the weather is clear. It's not cloudy or anything. And the date is Thursday, March the 31st, and the map has automatically moved and like changed its center to Nainital. So here we can see Nainital in the topographic view, or we can also opt for the satellite view. Here we can see that Nainital is a hill station because of the difference in terrain. Like this is the plains and this is where the mountains start. And if you go to the streets view, we can see the different types of routes the user can take to reach Nainital, the different highways. And for oceans, yeah, we still don't have any oceans near Nainital, so it shows nothing. And so that's all. And if we go down, we have other information about the place. So the first one is crops. So this one shows the crops which are grown in the place. For example, if the user has typed in Nainital, it shows the crops which is grown in Nainital. So for crops, it shows like rice, wheat, sugar cane, maize, and soybean. And if we go to famous food, for example, then we can see the food which is available there, which includes rabri, chas, and everything else. And then the famous tourist spots, which is Auli Chopta, which are, I guess, near Nainital, and then Nainital itself is also considered a tourist place. So it also shows up.